Assalamu alaikum, welcome to SAT practice. Today we're going to do some counting question. So let's start with the first question. So the number of integers between 29 and 69 inclusive. What do you mean by inclusive? So if I have 29x and 69, so inclusive, that means we include the boundary. So how many integers between 29 and 69 including those two? So here we're going to use this formula. If this is Q, this is P. So how many number between them is going to be P minus Q plus 1 because we need to include the 29. If I do P minus Q, I just include only 69. But P minus Q plus 9, I include the other boundary. So it's going to be 69 minus 29 plus 1, which is going to be 14 plus 1, which is 41. So C is my choice. Next question. A school has total enrollment 150 students, so the total is 150. There are 63 students taking French, so French there are 63 students. 48 taking chemistry, for chemistry there is 48. So and 21 taking both, so French and chemistry, so we have 21. So if I use the Venn diagram, you see I have 63, 21 and 48. This is chemistry, this is French. So how many students are taking neither French nor chemistry? So I need to see how many students are taking either French or chemistry. So which is going to be 63 plus 48 minus 21. Because if I add them together, it's like I'm adding 21 twice. So because within the chemistry we have 21 students, and within the French we have 21 students that are taking both. So here this is what I subtract 121. So it's going to be 63 plus 27, which is 90. So taking neither French or chemistry, what I do, I take 150 minus 90, which is 60, and A is my option. The number of minutes in 1 hour and 1/3 hour. So we know that 1 hour and 1/3 of minutes is 60. 1/3 is 60 over 3, which is 60 plus 20, which is 80 minutes, and D is my answer. Next question. A web press print 5 pages every 2 seconds. So 5 for 2 seconds. So at this rate, how many pages will the press print in 7 minutes? So I need to convert 7 minutes in second. So which is 7 minutes is 7 times 60, which is 420 seconds. So I put X here, and then here I put 420 seconds. So I cross multiply. So 5 times 420 equal to X. So this is what I do. Then I divide by 2 to get the quantity of print. So it's going to be 5 times 210. So which is 1050, and E is my answer. Next question. So a school has a total enrollment of 90 students. So we have the total is 90 students. There are 30 students taking physics. So physics there are 30 students. 25 English. So we have 25 for English. And physics and English we have 13. So again, if I use the Venn diagram, so I have here physics, this is English, so we have 30 taking physics, we have 25 and 13 both. So what percentage of students are taking either physics or English? So I need to find out the total student first, so which is 30 plus 25 minus 13. So it's going to be 30 plus 12, which is 42. So those are taken by 90 42, so it's 0, so it's 4, 3, which is 540, are gonna be 60. Again, it's gonna be going 666, which is, so C is my answer. Quarter 1, so 49 and 91, so all of them they want a price. So how many quarter want a price? So in that case I need to subtract and add 1 because they are inclusive. I include those two, the 49 1 and the 91 1, so they're going to be 91 minus 49 plus 1, which is 92 minus 49, and this is equal to 43. So B is my answer. Next question. So a rancher is constructing a fence by stringing wire between posts 20 feet apart. So if I have two posts, so I can put a wire. For two posts, I put one wire. For three posts, I put two wire. For four posts, I put three wire. So for n post, I put n minus one wire. Yes. So let me see how many wire of 20 feet I have in 1400 feet. So I divide this by 20. So I got 20 wire. So 20 wire is n minus 1 is equal to 20. So how many posts I need? So add one both sides. So n will be 21. So I need 21 posts. So D is my answer. Next question. The number of marble in X jar, each contain 15 marble. That means I have 15x. This is how many marble I have. Plus the number of marble in 3x jar, which is 3x jar that contain 20 marble. So that's mean time by 20. So we'll have 15x plus 60x equals 75x. So C is my answer. Next question. So the number of integers from 2 to 10 to the power 3, which is 1000. So how many integers between 2 to 1000? It's inclusive. That's when we include the 2 and the 100. So it's going to be 1000 minus 2 plus 1. So it's going to be 998 plus 1, which is 999. So here C is my choice. Last question. So a small town, 16 people own Ford. We have Ford owned by 16 people. And we have Toyota owned by 11 people. If exactly 15 people own only one of the two type of car. So we have 15 people own only one of either own Ford or Toyota. Only one of them. How many people own both types? So we don't know this. So that means in the 16 own Ford, there are some who own Toyota. And in the 11 who own Toyota, there are that own Ford. That means I'm going to subtract here X from both sides. So in that case, I will have only the people who own only Ford, and here the people who own only Toyota, because X is the number of people who own both of them. So now, if I subtract X, that means those who own only Ford and those own only Toyota. If I add those two, it will give me 15. Why? Because we have exactly 15 people who own only one car. So I will have 16 minus x plus 11 minus x will be 15. So which means 27 minus 2x equal 15. So I minus 27 both sides. So I got minus 2x equal minus 12. So divide by minus 2. So x will be 6. So this means 6 people on both car. So this is all about the word problem in SAT. So I hope you understand an idea and you learn how to deal with this type of problem. So please, if you have any comment that will help me improve my way of teaching, do so. It will help me a lot. Thank you for watching the video, and Assalamu alaikum.